Okay, so welcome back to another episode of my tutorials on Roblox. So today we're going to be something a little bit more advanced than what we've just been doing. We're doing, that's my download complete anyway. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be making a sign. So like if you want to show things, here's how you make a sign that people can actually interact with and see. So that. Then you need a surface GUI. So GUIs stand for graphical user interface. There's GUIs where you can click with your finger, and GUIs which you can interact with your character. Surface GUI. Now you can do other things with this, but for now we're going to find text label. So you can see it appears tiny over there. So what you need to do is go into properties, and you find where it says size, and just kind of play with the numbers a bit until it stretches to how big your part is. So you've got 0 to 100, 0 to 50. So you can think these are the X and the Y coordinates. So you can play with the numbers a little bit. So you've seen that one goes down and it fills our entire thing. $200 is too small though, so let's try a bigger number. Bit more. So see, this is the thing about playing with it you need to do. Because you'll never know how much it is really. Well, you could, but no. Now you can see that it just says label really tiny in the centre. You obviously want to send something a bit more label, so it's overshooted. If it has this little line, it means you've overshooted your entire thing. Also, if I put this bit higher, I might have overshooted at the bottom as well. And I thought it fit perfectly. Honestly. Oh yeah, whenever you're making a part go in the air, you have to put anchor or it will fall in the ground when you try to play. Yep, I overshooted at the bottom as well. Just me playing with these size constraints. This might be a majority of the video if we keep with this. Oh, I can't see the label. I think we've made it go a bit too long. If you're ever in doubt, just go with the original constraints. If you go to the original measurements, you'll know it will fit, and then you can do it from there. So, for mine, your part might be a bit different, but mine is 700 long. No, wait, it's not 700 long. It's a bit less than that, but a bit more. I think it's at 670 long. Nope, it's not that either. Okay, just telling you now, I might skip this bit because the video is getting a little bit too long just by me playing around with these settings. So, catch up with you later.
3 hours later.
So, hi guys, welcome back. So, I finally managed to get the right size. It's 560/400. 0, good. So now, how, you are wondering, do you get it to be bigger? Well, in your text label, it says text is a label. Text scale, this bit here, click it and it gets bigger. You can do all kinds of things with this. So you can say, this is a sign. Indeed it is. You can change the colour, text, just anything really. Text, don't know what that means, but yeah. I'm feeling a little bit doubted. So, here is your sign, all ready to go. Now, uses of a sign. Well, so if you grab a sign, you can put this and you can put it next to, I don't know, something else you've made. For example, click here to buy something, or you want to show people where to go. You want to say, oops, sorry, this guy's is a work in progress. So you can see anything on these signs. Well, no, don't try to put anything. Don't put the kinds of things that we block by Roblox chat filter. But yeah, anything. So yeah, I hope you learned lots from that video. And yeah, this is the first video I've made. Sorry, Christmas and end of school break and everything has been, honestly. So have a good New Year, everybody. Sorry, I forgot end of Christmas. Have a good New Year, everybody, and I'll see you another time. Coda.